Okay, back on our tranny. So I picked up a few parts to figure out what I'm going to need here. So first big thing is main shaft. Got one of those, one of these. There's a new bushing for the high gear if I need it. Bunch of different gaskets and seals and stuff to figure out what else I need. Alright, so first thing I do is figure out which main shaft we're going to use, and then if we need to replace that bushing in there or not. So that's the big question right now. Alright, so let's go see what's going on with that tranny. This one's easy to get out because it's already open. There you go. Looks nice. Take the nut off so the seal's out of the way. Oh, that doesn't even have a seal in it anymore. That's alright. It doesn't matter, there's no seal on that one. Forgot about that. It's pretty loose. Yeah, that's kind of looser than it's supposed to be. That's not the gear, that's the gear moving. That's just the main shaft. Yeah, and there's a seal in there too, so it's even worse than that. Oh yeah, that's looks even worse from this side. That thing ate itself up pretty bad. I'm not sure why it's so loose. You can see how loose that is. The gear is moving too, but you can definitely see how the main shaft is also. Alright, well that's why we brought down the bushing here. We've got to put it in now. I figured it was going to have to be something like that. Alright, there you go. More work. So much for being easy. I need a new nut too. Alright. I usually like keeping these bearings separate from the ones over there. We'll see if we can collect those and do that. I have a plastic bag right here I can use for that purpose. That is getting dull. There's our new bushing. Yeah, they came out pretty close to these. Pretty good. Yeah. About half of them made it in the bag. Dirty. Those all have to be cleaned. Alright. But I cleaned all this already. This definitely needs to be cleaned some more. You're dirty. Alright. We still have a seal in here, but that's going to get taken out here in a minute. Definitely loose. Could be worse, but doesn't feel too bad with the seal on it. But take the seal off, it gets looser. Yeah. Rattle, rattle, rattle. Definitely got clearance. Alright, we'll be back.